No! Stop it. No! Murphy. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Bad boy.
There's nothing there. Calm down. There's nothing there. What's wrong?
Well, it's clearly not him. Oh boy, 10-4. Looks like we're gonna need additional units. Hey, stop reaching!
Spicy. Hey, Spicy.
I got to get back before Cleveland realizes I'm not in bed.
Donna! Donna!
And she get money, her body tea, she's super thick.
I'm about to lose it. Why would you do this? Why would you do this?
Fight back! Fight back!
Aí eu chego, não percebo, deixa aqui. Ai, ai.
Today I'm explaining why there's a hole in my wall. Yep. Man, can you record properly? It's not that hard. Like, come on.
Let me in. Let me in, please.
So here's the vet bill from today. Not sure how you're gonna pay that.
Póngaselo. Bueno. ¿Le gustó?
Y quieren que recordemos las cosas que decía la derecha que iban a...
Oscar, I have to tell you something. You're adopted. And you don't even care. And that's why you're going to be president of the United States.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth, just perfect all around.
Why do you do this to yourself? There's Frank. You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that?
Ще один Охотник. Что ты нашел? О, она его укусила!
Root beer, no! Root beer! No! Root beer, no! Someone's root beer!
Sometimes I like to chase my cat just to see her pouch wobble.
Hey. Can you move? Stop.
No. 1 minute.
Sí, gracias. Gracias.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on.
What?
Coward. We have a new world to conquer. You make me sick.
Leave me alone, please.
Hiding in the shadows.
Loincloth. Gray. Big ol' eyes.
Cat, I'm about to poop. Please enter. Thank you for arriving on time for our meeting.
Precioso, ¿quién llora? Se fue papá. Que mi amor. Ahí viene.
Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese!
Mac and cheese. Lightning McQueen.
Yeah!
Hidráulico, pásame la 13, porfa.
I'm Donald Trump. Thank you. Thank you.
It's happened again. Another sign language interpreter accused of signing total gibberish. This time it was at the police news conference announcing an arrest in the Tampa serial killings. Standing off to the side, apparently translating every...
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici!
Root beer, no! Root beer! No! Root beer, no! Someone's root beer!
No es un chico malo. Solo quiere ser él mismo.
Knock knock. I'm here to collect the rent money. It's been 3 days. You're late.
Huh?
Another root beer in the cowboy mug. Another root beer. Root beer, no! Root beer! No, root beer, no! There's so much root beer, no! Root beer in the cowboy hill, yeah! Root beer! I love root beer!
I want to get up and turn. Oh, sorry. I want to turn the light off, but. Stop. Stop. Let go. Stop!
Está el aire prendido en el 22, ¿eh? Y el Griseldo. ¡Ay, el viejón! ¡A gusto!
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the man? Get your ass on, boy.
What did you say when you got your shot?
That's a drop of his drool because he wants the bacon. There's another one. Ugh.